It's Natasha from Big Rock Organics, and welcome to week 11 of the CSA. It's really fun seeing the season move through the months, and I feel like we're really coming into some new seasonality and some new vegetables that we haven't seen before. So come with me as we show you some of the things in the box this week. So we are very excited to be having sweet corn back in the pickings. We have white sweet corn this week. And we partner with a local farm because we just haven't got quite the wherewithal, the acreage, the ability to pull off sweet corn, though we hope to put that on our palate one of these days soon. But he grows the best sweet corn here in Big Rock, and we just love it. So we are sharing that with you here in the season selectively. And we had bicolor before, and we've got white sweet corn this week. So it's a special treat. If you haven't had sweet corn raw, I do highly recommend it. It's lovely and delicious and wonderful. So look at how shiny and beautiful it is, and it's gonna be sweet and tasty because it is actually picked and put in your box the same day that you get it. We have the Hakurei turnips coming back, and these little guys are so sweet and tasty. I did notice a little bit of scarring on the outside, so you might need to peel these. And we did leave the greens on, though they are not in the best shape of the season, but in case you want to do a saute or something, you can saute the greens. And then the roots are sweet and delicious. I enjoy these raw. That's my favorite way to eat them. They also make a good pickle. We've got patty pan squash, and these are just so adorable and cute, and they look like a little flying UFO. My favorite way to eat them is to slice them across, to slice them this way, and then grill them. I love them grilled, though you can stuff them, you can chop them up, basically use it like you would a zucchini. They are just really cute, and they come in all different colors, so yeah, they're really fun, something different. And I feel like they do maybe have a little denser texture than a zucchini, very, very similar. We've got banana peppers this week. We've been trying to bring you a pepper variety over the season, and bananas are not going to be spicy. They're going to be, you know, a little bit more sweet. And so those are the banana peppers, and those are very, very tasty. We've got tomatillos. So tomatillos are a wonderful South American veggie, fruit, whatnot, and these husked, kind of firm tomato-like fruits are really the wonderful base for salsa verde. Most of the time they're chopped and cooked in for a salsa or something. You can also use them raw. One of my absolute favorite salads is just to chop up all kinds of fresh veggies and then finish it off with an Italian vinaigrette and some Parmesan cheese, and tomatillos even taste wonderful chopped up in a salad like that too. And so whether you're making it fresh like pico de gallo or making you know, a cooked salsa verde, they are wonderful either way. And we have those green tomatillos. All right, we've got all kinds of tomatoes. I will say, after kind of waiting around for the tomatoes, I feel like they are slowly making their start to ripening, so that is a great sign. We've got small and large tomatoes. We've got edamame. Edamame is a edible soybean, and these guys have these pods. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick it off the plant, and you're going to take and simmer those pods or steam them, and they are just gonna cook, you know, till they're steamed slightly, and then you take them out of the water and sprinkle a coarse salt, and you're gonna actually eat the beans out of the pods here. They are really yummy, and this is actually a you-pick operation here, so you want to just pick all those pods off. They kind of all mature at the same time, so you can use all of them. Now, if you can't get to all of them, you can. Most edamame served in restaurants and places is actually frozen, so you can just blanch these, cook them a little bit, and freeze them on a tray, and then you can eat them later. But I just love them. Now, I mostly eat them fresh out of the pod here, but you can also take and eat them, you know, shelled and in a salad or in a soup or something like that, and they are delicious. All right, we've got big tomatoes, all kinds of different colors and varieties of big tomatoes. We've got rosemary. Rosemary has been such a lovely flavor this season. We hope you've been enjoying that. And we've got onions. These little cipollini onions are really fun and very flavorful. We've got lots of onions we need to start digging up and harvesting. Red onions on their way, white onions, all kinds of things like that. So we have different onions coming. All right, we've got cucumbers and zucchini, of course. The cucumbers are taking a little bit of a back seat. Now, we have had cucumbers for many, many weeks and many, many cucumbers. So we've been enjoying those immensely, but the cucumbers are starting to kind of wane. We do have a fall crop planted, so we'll just have to do a gamble on those. So enjoy the cucumbers, but we will be seeing a bit of a downturn in cucumbers. Lots of zucchini and summer squash, lots of eggplant coming in. We've got those Italian eggplants. We've got baby bok choy this week. We've got, some of you might be getting some of these little ones. They are so fun because you can saute the entire thing in a stir fry, add it in at the end. They are delicious. The whole thing is edible. You can also grill these. So we've got baby bok choy. We've got those rainbow carrots, the purples, the yellows, the whites, all kinds of fun colors in the carrots. We've got some beets, Chioggia beets this week, bell peppers. If you haven't made a stuffed bell pepper soup or casserole, I feel like this week is so nice and cool. It actually was really chilly picking. You know, we might be thinking about making a soup this week just because a lot of veggies in the fridge and a nice warm soup sounds delicious. And beans, which are also starting to slow down a little bit. You might be getting different mixed color or purple bean. Hope you've been enjoying those. They're such a labor of love and they are so delicious, but they are starting to slow down a little bit. And scallions. Now, some of the things to look forward to, we do have lettuce and baby arugula, radishes, more turnips, all these different things in the future. Potatoes need to start getting dug, so hopefully potatoes very soon. Winter squashes sometime in the coming weeks, so there is a lot more bounty to enjoy. We even have some sweet potatoes that we've been nurturing. So this is looking beautiful, but things are changing, weather's changing, and I hope that you will enjoy the changing flavors with it. So thanks for joining me, Natasha Lewis at Big Rock Organics, and happy cooking!